This is a room tour of the Sheraton Hotel at the Charlotte Airport in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we start with our bathroom. Let's see what we have. Oh, nice. So we have our toiletries, nice big mirror, tub, shower, and we come out here and we have 2 queen-size beds and a little chair, desk area, and a flat screen TV. I saw that there was an indoor pool. We ate in the restaurant in the hotel when we arrived, and there's a buffet breakfast, which is not complimentary, but I will most definitely be checking it out. So again, here we are at the Sheraton Hotel in Charlotte, North Carolina, right at the airport. And there's a shuttle bus that brings you to the airport every 30 minutes, and it runs 24 hours a day. Thank you for watching.